what's good? It's your girl Mommy Tip, and I'm back again with another video. What is good, you guys? If you haven't already checked out the title of this video, this is going to be a curly hair routine. Now, if you were an OG subscriber, you guys would know that this is the first video that I ever posted on my channel, which is so full circle to me, and that's why I'm really excited to show you guys how much my curly routine has changed. As you guys know, I bleach my hair a lot. I put color in it, so my curly hair routine has changed up a bit, but we still got some of the staples. But you know, if you want to see how I do it, then you gotta watch the video. Pause. Before we get into this video though, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we make really silly, dope, cool, and funny videos on this channel. And like, why wouldn't you? But go ahead and also give me a like and comment down below if you have some questions or video suggestions. And without further ado, let's dive into the video. Okay, so I know you guys are probably like, Tiffany, why is your hair in braids? Let me explain. Okay, so actually last night is the time that I washed my hair in the shower, and now this is the morning after. So what I like to do in my wash routine while I'm in the shower is shampoo and deep condition. Now this routine is something that I do like once a week because I try to get, you know, I try to get my money's worth out of these products, honey. And honestly, me being able to just wash my hair once a week helps me keep my color last. Like, because I have pigment in my hair, like it literally just falls out every time. I wash my hair and just gets lighter and fades some more, and it's just, you know, But yeah, let me go ahead and tell y'all what products I use in the shower. I know this isn't typical for every curly girl or guy, but I do shampoo every week. Now, listen, I know everyone is literally gasping for air, especially with the product that I'm holding, but let me explain. So if you've been on my channel for a minute, you know, and I mean you know, I have a serious dandruff problem. Like, I have so much dandruff, bruh, it's disgusting. So after doing some research, I came across some products. This Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Shampoo. Guys, you put this in your scalp and massage it around, like, it feels so cooling. I'm pretty sure it's like lavender, mint, and tea tree oil that's in this product. And the mix together literally is like a perfect tingling sensation. And when the shower water hits your scalp, oh my god, it really does the job. But yeah, honestly, I can say this is one of the best shampoos that I've ever used for dandruff. One, because it actually keeps my hair dandruff free for 4 consistent days. Any other shampoo that I use, the dandruff literally comes back the next day. And I know a lot of you are like, Tiffany, this has sulfates in it, and I understand that. But I mean, I also don't put this directly in my hair. You know, I just literally put it on my scalp, do what I gotta do in the shower, you know? Now, every other week, I will switch from the shampoo to this treatment. So this is a DevaCurl Build-Up Buster Micellar Water Cleansing Serum. This is more of a treatment. It doesn't necessarily have instructions on like how long to keep it in, but I like to keep it in for like a good 10-15 minutes just because I feel like if I rinse it out, it's not gonna really do the job. You know, I really want it to marinate. I want it to get in this scalp. But yeah, and also this product is 100% sulfate, paraben, and silicone free. So this is also another alternative. Okay, so after I finish my shampooing process, I go in with this 10-in-1 Renewal System Shea Moisture Deep Conditioner. Y'all, this right here is some hair crack. Like, on God, is some hair crack. Oh, not only does it make your hair feel so soft, but it makes your hair smell amazing. This is the best smelling and best deep conditioner that Shea Moisture has ever put out. And let me tell you, I've tried a lot of their deep conditioners, and this one right here, this is the go-to. But yeah, I go ahead and detangle my hair, and I put this in my hair while it's sopping wet. And then I'll go ahead and put my hair in braids so that it holds the product. So then at nighttime, I go ahead and put a do-rag on just to cover up my braids and go to sleep. And then the next morning, I'll wake up and go ahead and wash it out which is what I'm gonna go do right now. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed out the deep conditioner out of my hair. My hair right now is in a microfiber towel. If you haven't noticed, the color is pink, and it's not because I have a slight obsession with the color pink recently, but it's because since my hair is pink, having a towel like this won't necessarily, you know, show the color as much as if I had a white towel. Honey would look crazy. But yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. What I love about these results is that my hair clumps together, and my hair looks so good when it clumps together. There are times where I want my hair to look a little bit, you know, more frizzy and a little bit more big and voluptuous, but like I love starting off with some nice defined juicy curls, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and put a part into my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is parted, I'm gonna go ahead and section it with these 2 clips. I feel like splitting my hair into 4 sections allows me to get the perfect amount of product that I want into my hair. Whereas if I just did simple 2 sections, that's more of if I'm going for like, I want my hair to be really big, more voluminous, frizzy kind of look, you know. But today we really want defined curls, like that's the key. Pause. Let's talk about this spray bottle. This spray bottle, honey, changed the game. Like literally when I tell you, like, I don't know what we were doing with life before this spray bottle. Do you guys remember these days where you had to go like just to get like 1 strand of hair? And now you literally go, what? No, I think you need to see it again. Bitch, what? I bought this off of Amazon. They have them in a bunch of beauty supply stores, but honestly get yours off of Amazon because I promise you it'll be more expensive in store. I'm gonna link the one that I got down below on Amazon because, you know, I want to help y'all out. Do I have a coupon code? No. But you know what? $8, I'm pretty sure that's how much it was. It's not bad. Okay, so the first product that I like to put into my hair is this leave-in, the staple, the go-to, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I've been using this really since the beginning of time. I have never been able to just put this product down because it's literally the basis of my curly hair products. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and run this through my hair. Okay, so for the next product, I have this DevaCurl Be Leave-In Miracle Curl Plumper. So it says it's supposed to do like some texture and volume thing, but I don't really know if it does that. What I use this for is I feel like it really just helps my curls like form and gives it this shine. It's this weird jelly consistency, and it's like perfectly runny. Like it's runny enough that like, I don't know, like it's not any form of a gel, but whatever it does it amazing. We're gonna go ahead and go into another section of my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry for an hour, and then after that we're gonna go ahead and diffuse it. Okay, so it's been a solid hour and I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse my hair. So the settings that I typically put this on is for heat, I'll do like medium and low, and I'll like alternate between those two, and then for speed I'll do low. You have finally reached the end of the video! Thank you guys so much for watching. These are the end results of my hair. My hair is still in a bit of like a first day curl, you know. The first day curls are always a bit, you know, a little crunchy from all the product. But throughout the week, it'll just continue to get bigger and fluffier. But yeah, guys, this is my extremely defined curly hair routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
I make it say, what up? Me first.